morning, students. Physical science. Already 7th class is over. Now you are in 8th class. Here, so many chapters are there. The first chapter is force. What is meant by force? Without reason, so many changes around us. What are the changes? Suppose seasons, summer season, winter season, rainy season, like that. Different seasons are occurred. Sun setting, sun rising also happen, and how the sun is moving, or how the planets are moving. These are all discussed in this chapter. In olden days, suppose cyclones happen, day and night is formed. These are all due to how they feel due to God. Due to God only these are all happened. But for every change, the one scientific reason is there. These are all discussed in the chapters. Here, first one is force. What is meant by force? Suppose a paper boy throw the paper. Suppose you lift the school bag. So a rickshaw puller pushing the pulling the rickshaw. That means pull or push is called force. Either pull or push. What is meant by pull? What is meant by push? Pull means you can apply some force towards yourself. Suppose pulling, for example, sucking the juice. Suppose fruit juice. A glass of fruit juice is there. You can suck the fruit juice. That means juice is coming towards your place. And pulling the rickshaw. Suppose the rickshaw is a pulling. Pulling means dragging that your place, dragging towards your place. These are all called pulling. So many examples are there. Suppose push. Push means you can apply force. That means open the door. At that place, push the door is there. What is meant to push? You can apply some force on the door from your place. That means force applied away from your place. That is push. That is pushing the door. This pull or push is called force. Either pull or push is called force. So many types of forces. These are all divided into two types of forces. Contact force. These forces are divided into two types of forces. Contact force. Okay, some examples are there. Both pull and push. Okay, I will explain later. Contact force. Contact force means a force is happened by physical contact between the applied person and the object. There is a contact force between object and applied person. That is called contact force. There is a physical contact between object and force. There is some physical contact between object and force. That is called contact force. For example, pushing the door. Pulling the door. upside. See, these are all examples: pushing the door, pulling the door, pulling the rickshaw, riding, running, walking. These are all examples for this contact force. What is contact force? There is a physical contact between object and force. Simply, this is called contact force. Here, both push and pull. Both push and pull. Already you have an idea about pull and push. Pull means you can apply the force towards yourself. That is pulling. Pushing means you can apply the force away from your place. That is pushing. Both means example. In this activity, both pushing and pulling are happened. Raising the flag. Raising the flag. Suppose you can apply some force on the thread. The thread is coming down, but the flag is going upside. That means both pull and push are happened in this case. And drilling the rig. Drilling the rig. That means rig is working by drilling a hole into the soil. In this case also both push and pull are happened. See, this is the contact force. Again, contact force, how many are there? Types of contact force. One is muscular force. Second one is frictional force. Third one is normal force. Fourth one is tension. Tensional force. These are the four types of forces. There is a contact force. That means contact force are divided four types. Muscular force. Muscular force means by using muscular energy you can do so many activities. What are those activities? Muscular force. Suppose lifting the school bag and walking, running, pushing the door, pulling the door, pulling the rickshaw, pushing the vehicle. These are all muscular force. Squeezing. Frictional force. Frictional force means there is a force acting between two surfaces. Here, force acting frictional force. Force. Friction. See, frictional force means there is some physical contact between two objects. Suppose van is moving on the road. The tires are rolling on the road. The force between surface of the road and tire. In this case, the force acting between road surface and tire, that means both are contact each other, and one force is acting between the two objects. Suppose the two objects are both are in rest or moving, relatively motion or moving, that force is acting is called frictional force. Frictional force means the force is acting between two surfaces of the objects, that is either rest or motion. Suppose a vehicle is moving on the road, the force applied in this direction, but frictional force acting opposite direction. In this case, the frictional force always opposes the motion of the object. That means frictional force always opposes the motion of the object. So frictional force is opposite direction of the movement of the vehicle or object. And again, so many types of the frictional force. The types of frictional forces discussed in the next class. Next one is normal force. What is meant by normal force? Normal force means, suppose vehicle is moving or one object is moving in this direction, opposite is frictional force, that is already known, and one downward force is there, and at the same time an upward force is there, normal force. Suppose an object is moving or at rest, four types of forces are there. One is frictional force, second one is gravitational force, this gravitational force means force always acting in the downward direction, force always acting in the downward direction on this object. And the third one is normal force. What is normal force? Suppose the vertical direction, that is horizontal direction, two forces, frictional force and upward force. Vertical direction, two forces are acting. Upward direction is normal force, downward direction is gravitational force. So normal force means the force acting on the object in the upward direction against, that means opposite to the direction of gravitational force, is called normal force. So that is the normal force. Next one is tension. Tensional force means, suppose hang an object or stone with a fixed support. Suppose by using a thread we can hang the stone. Hang the stone. The force acting in the upward direction of the string, that is tension. Suppose the force acting in the upward direction of the hanging thread, that is called tension. Suppose tension is less. Tension is less. What happened? It is freely moved. That is a lightweight object. That means freely moved. Suppose weight objects are hanged, then tension will be moved. So contact force are four types: muscular force, frictional force, normal force, and tensional force. Today we will discuss types of forces. Around us, so many changes are there. Without our notice, the changes are happened. That means seasons are happened, sun setting, sun rising, planets moving. These are all we don't know the movement, but with the scientific methods, that means by understanding the science, we know the forces acting on it. Here the chapter is force. Pull or push is called force, and both are acting, either pull or both are acting. Examples are already we discussed, that is raising the flag. raising the flag, wheeling a pole towards the ground. And forces are divided two types. One is contact force, another one is non-contact force. Contact force means there is a physical contact between object and the force. That is physical contact force. Examples are muscular force, frictional force, normal force, tension force. Muscular force means by using our muscles we can do so many activities. Suppose lifting the stool back, push the door, pull the door, riding or running, walking. These are all examples for muscular force. Frictional force means force acting between the two surfaces of the object. When the two objects are rest or in motion, the force is acting, that is frictional force. Normal force means the force acting opposite in the direction of gravitational force on an object is called normal force. Tension force means any object that angled to a fixed support in that hanging object, one upward force is acting, that is called tension force.